Pan Roasted Lobster with brandy cream. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the lobster claws to the water, cover, and cook for about 6 minutes. Remove the claws from the pot and shock them in a prepared bowl of ice water. This will stop the cooking process. Next, remove the claws from the ice water, dry them off, and carefully crack them using a mallet. Remove the meat and reserve until ready for use. Use a sharp knife and split the tails in half lengthwise, making sure that you leave the meat intact. Heat the grapeseed oil over high heat in a medium cast iron skillet. Add the lobster tails to the pan, shell side down, cover, and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, remove the pan from the heat and add in your brandy. Remove the pan from the heat and cook for another minute uncovered. Add the stock and the tomatoes and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Next, you'll add the cream, preserved lobster meat, celery, scallions, carrots, and fresh thyme. Cook for another minute and season with Tony's original seasoning.